quiet clearing in the morning light, where something strong softens its might. A heavy heartbeat finds its pace, moving slowly with a peaceful grace. Big paws lifted in the air, a tender moment from something rare. Strength can smile in its own way, even giants learn to play. Watch the rhythm take its form, soft control inside the storm. Power moves with gentle hands, even strength can learn to stand. Steps that once were wild and free now flow with simple harmony. A quiet lesson in each sway, showing more than words can say. Pure intention in the air, grounded, steady, warm, aware. Energy shaped into art, a calm display from a mighty heart. Watch the rhythm take its form, soft control inside the storm. Power moves with gentle hands, even strength can learn to stand. Even the wild can understand. Even the